Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Chevy Cruze and we're going to show you how to replace the front turn signal bulbs. Okay, we're going to demonstrate on one side, the right side of the vehicle, but it's the same for the driver's side as well. You need to open the hood now and let me show you now. Right here, this is the headlight bulb. We have a video how to replace it on our channel, and this white right here is the turn signal bulb. You need to turn to the right like that, about 30 degrees, and it comes out of there. And this is the turn signal bulb. It's orange in color. You need to just pull it out of there like that. It pulls out, and this is the bulb. We even have the number on it. Let me see if I can get it. 744NA-T, and it's 12 volt 28/8 watts. So what you need to do now, just get the new bulb and you push it in there. It just goes one way, you cannot get it wrong. And again, go in the hole like that right there and turn it, go in the slots and turn it to the right about 30 degrees this time, okay, and get it tight. So that's the whole procedure. If you have any questions, let us. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.